they put something with trend.
Steez and composure.
Hey besties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, share it in and outside your circle. So guys, in January I went for the African Creators Summit and it was an amazing experience. The event was at Federal Palace Hotel and it was amazing. I love everything that we did, the sip and paint, the sessions, everything. And also I won a gift from Facebook. Guys, it was so amazing. So we did a challenge that we should post on social media, and they would pick winners basically at the end of the event, and I was one of those winners. I was so happy, like winning a gift at that event, and also remembering that I won a gift at the YouTube Black Future Insiders event. I have the vlog on my channel. I'm going to link it up here so you guys can see it. Guys, I was so excited hearing my name and everything. So guys, this vlog is going to be about that event. I hope you guys love it and enjoy it just as much as I enjoyed myself on that day. And yes guys, let's get into it.
All right, coming on stage quickly as we kick off the Africa's Creators Summit 2.0 is somebody that we respect very, very well. The originator, the convener, of all of us here, the person that pays us thousands of dollars monthly.
We pray for him more than the way we pray for
We pray for him, making us.
Nothing will ever happen to us.
Make our 20,000, 30,000, 10,000, 2,000, making they enter every month. Please put your hands together as we bring on stage. Adewumi Oladapo OJ.
Don't put me back. Please keep clapping. Keep clapping.
Fine boy, no people.
And they testing.
Hi guys. Sorry, I'm not a formal. I'm not too just to this type of thing. Right? First things first, thank you everyone for coming out. I know it's not easy. Some of you came from. There was a lady that came from Ondo. She was here 6:30 something. Where is she? So she's going to get a brand new Samsung phone. So encourage that creativity. I mean, she came all the way this morning. I was blown away. Thank you. Thank you. We appreciate you. Content is not just comedy skits. I find a lot of people who want to go into content and they say, oh, but I'm not funny. You don't need to be funny. Content is a tool. It's a strong educational tool. You could use it to educate people in the field where you are. It could be something particular about you that you're knowledgeable about. You could be a fantastic promotional videographer. You don't need to be an influencer. You just know how to create content that kind of projects and emulate brands or products. You're a content creator. And all you need is just that phone that you have. You have seen people's lives change just with the phone. So please, take the word deeps and make it like a blueprint, right? Dream, ideas, passion, a phone, and service to people. Thank you very much.
not gree for anybody.
No, not gree for anybody. No.
January na not gree for anybody.
Yes, January na no gree for anybody.
Up and get for end in February.
Yes. No people, na later sef.
I up and get for come.
Some people don't make small mistake. Up and get for Ajayi, late October, November.
Okay, na not gree for anybody.
January.
Yes, no call it out for this year. I will not gree for anybody.
The police sef were social. They call the same one, not use the line. Don't forget. They have tell us they will not use activity, they ignite violence.
If you do not gree for anybody content, man, see your hand up.
No, not writing now. You're
You see, I go bring this our guy come backstage. Make it come follow and talk. Anytime you want. You see, una need to understand, say everything na content.
Yes, sir.
Even when you don't get work, na content.
Yes.
No, it isn't a lie. Let me give you an example. Imagine, say, you just graduate, you don't get work. You can't wake up in the morning and you be fine girl like this. And you don't get content thing for your head. What do? You fit stand up, carry phone. Life of a fine 2-1 graduate wey work no dey. Anyway, how we go do? We move. You post am. That is a content.
2 seconds.
The next day, you carry waka with the phone. Wake up in the morning. Life of a fine girl graduate wey work no dey. I wan brush now, no toothpaste. Make I use charcoal or salt. You brush am finish. Anyway, make we go outside go outside go look for newspaper stand where work dey. Newspaper, you see am now. They say na only 10 years experience. How fine girl like you just graduate go get 10 years experience? Anyway, hashtag life of a fine unemployed Nigerian girl.
Content, don't they?
That's content. Before you know wetin dey happen, don dey alumelu feast am.
UBA.
So this girl wey dey yes. Our guy do song about they play, just they play. You think say that me? If you don't know what they don't say, Jack. Now Jack now. Okay, Jack with the old one. Elon.
One Elon Musk is related to another Elon Musk. No, Elon Musk get Twitter.
Now Elon Musk get Twitter now, but Jack now they get them before.
Now you do they play.
I don't know who do the. Which of them do? Now Elon Musk do they play. Okay.
Now Twitter.
But I feel say they play still dating now. You get a person to play because they play.
They laugh.
Okay, then this one let me day for March. April, I'll get one. Okay, I don't know.
Established.
What's
This person.
What the hell?
This guy, if he collect his balance, man, nick it.
Baba, I will think I just
If
kill
you
you.
collect your balance, man, nick it back. What if you all the please?
Something when not trend. Because they put something with trend.
Steez and composure.
Steez and composure. Not spoil my steez. As an interview like this. Come back. DJ, find one small sweet miss in there.
I almost forgot. I'm gonna take it easy.
I know the inside of the what did you want to do now?
This is our life. The one where they give us money na that one. I beg, leave us.
I need to come on the move backstage.
Wait now. Okay, we're going to finish now. We're going to finish this one.
Oh yeah, April, May. October. You're not going to make it.
I am not just leave. But what did they
I give us. What is the trend now? What's the trend?
They say they go arrest that video. Is not come.
Even like set up in Nigeria, right?
Not in Nigeria. I mean, are you right now? You did this.
Very, are you right now?
Are you the one that wrote this trend for 2024?
Very.
I beg. At this point, this is the end of the trend 2024. Joy is coming. If Joy not come, they go arrest Fido.
Yes.
Oh yeah, Joy. Yeah,
You understand? And they dey careful wetin I talk now because I don't go dey do podcast, they call dey drag me. But what I will tell you is that in today's world, things are changing rapidly, right? When we were younger, there are things at the age of 10 we didn't know that kids who are 10 years old know today. I'm not a fan of our educational system anymore. The 6334 and the way kids are taught, because kids are well ahead of their time or of our time, basically. So I'm sure you want your kids to go to school, do that one, but gauge his passion and allot him time to express it according to his passion. Not the playing battle, but whatever your kid is very passionate about, let him add it to his playtime, because for him that will be play. You get? Then give society what society wants, which is school. I'm sure your family too. Give them school and all that. But most importantly, just gauge the passion and let him run with it.
All right, thank you. Madam, I hope you are not the type, you're the type that is doing the one post with the begin page. My homie did great.
And guys, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. It was so amazing. The event was amazing. Loved my artwork, loved everything, the souvenirs. So they gave us a tote bag, Jota, then a brand gave us like a scarf sort of. Then I won my gift. I'm going to be unboxing the gifts in another video, so the light basically, so that you guys can see like everything that was inside the gift, basically the light itself. It's going to be an unboxing basically of the lights, the LED lights, because you guys know me on this channel. I also put unboxing videos on this channel, so you guys should subscribe and click on the notification bell so that you guys can get notified whenever I post it. And guys, that's all I have for this video. Share this video, like this video, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night, wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.